In this College Algebra CLEP lesson, we're going to talk about how to solve an equation where the variable is in the denominator. So this problem says, what are all the values of x for which 3 over 3 minus x equals 1/2 plus 1 over x? Alright, to solve this type of problem, we want to multiply by the common denominator. So our denominators are 3 minus x, 2, and x. Now, if you look at those, there's nothing in common, so our common denominator will be all those multiplied together. 3 minus x times 2 times x. I'm going to multiply each of these fractions by this value. So I multiply this by 3 over 3 minus x. The 3 minus x will cancel out, leaving you with 3 times 2 times x. Multiply this common denominator by 1/2. The 2 will cancel out, leaving you with 3 minus x times x. Again, if I multiply this common denominator by 1 over x, the x will cancel out, leaving you with 2 times 3 minus x. Now I multiply this out, 3 times 2 times x is 6x. I'm going to multiply the x times 3, give me 3x, x times negative x, give me negative x squared. I'm going to multiply the 2 times 3 minus x, so that's 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times negative x is negative 2x. I can combine like terms, 3x minus 2x is 1x, so I'll move this negative 1x squared plus 1x plus 6. Alright, when we're done with the quadratics, something with the x squared, I'm going to move everything to the same side. So I'm going to subtract 6x from both sides. That gives me 0 equals negative x squared minus 5x plus 6. And we always like our x squared to be positive, so I just multiply everything by negative 1 and give me 0 equals positive 1x squared plus 5x minus 6. Now we have a quadratic, x squared plus 5x minus 6, and I want to factor this using my two sets of parentheses, and I'm going to have an x here and an x here. I need two numbers that multiply to give me a negative 6 and add up to 5. Okay, so that's going to be 1 and 6. And one of them needs to be negative and give me the negative 6. So it's going to be 1, negative 1, and positive 6. So when I multiply them together, negative 1 times positive 6 is negative 6. And when I add them together, negative 1 plus 6 is positive 5. So that works out. So this equals 0. So now we use our zero product rule, set each of these parentheses equal to 0. So x minus 1 equals 0. X plus 6 equals 0. I'm going to solve here. I'm going to add 1 to both sides. X equals 1. Subtract 6 from both sides here. X equals negative 6. Now you do have to go back and verify that you don't cause any issues with any of these numbers. So 3 minus any of those is okay. If I have 1 or negative 6 in the denominator here is fine. Okay. If one of my answers was a 3, I have 3 minus 3, which is 0, and you can't divide by 0, so that would have been a value that did not work. But here, 1 and negative 6 do work. So that's going to be answer D. So that was solving a problem where the variable was in the denominator.